Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. These types of videos will pop up on my channel on Thursdays and Sundays. I film them all the time lately. Like, inspiration is just everywhere. Today it's going to come from my new ColourPop item that I received in one of my mystery boxes from them, which I love, by the way. Also, side note, I love ColourPop, but then side note to that side note, there's a playlist for tons of ColourPop stuff because I have so much of it. Honestly, you're gonna love it. And this isn't necessarily ColourPop, but it's a brand under ColourPop. It's 43 Beauty, and it's their face polish, or sorry, watermelon face polish for smooth, healthy skin. It exfoliates and balances. Not only is the packaging cute, let me show you. It says when I give you melons. Oh, super fresh face. Yes. I forget how much this is, but I'll of course put it down in the comments, in the description down below. You can put it in the comments too, but I'm gonna put it in the description down below. This is it. Totally reminds me of smushed up super fresh watermelon or strawberries, but whatever. Who's counting? So there's sugar, watermelon seed oil, and poppy seeds. I'm not totally thrilled about the watermelon seed oil, but I got lashes, lash extensions. I grew my own lashes. This is true. But then I got lash extensions on top of them. And I'm like, now that I've really incorporated tons of oils into my skincare routine, now I'm like, this is a huge list of things I can't use right now, or I shouldn't really use right now, at least around my eyes. So I'm still going to come in with this because my skin has just been going through it. We've been traveling here and there. I don't have my regular skincare routine with me all the time. And these last, 2 days since I had this? Yeah, since I got my lashes done, I was like, okay, I want these to last because I need them to last. Well, I need to be good with them and keep up with them and keep my appointments and do all that and not take them off for a couple months because I have wedding. It's just a thing, right? So we're gonna try with this headband. I love the bow, by the way. Got it from Shop Miss A, $1. Go check that out, the website. There's also a playlist for that too, in case you're wondering. But let's come in with this. There's not really a lot. It just says massage a quarter size amount of polish into your palm, massage into damp skin using circular motions, avoid the eye area, rinse thoroughly. Can use it every day, or every other day, or as a weekly treatment. Don't use it every day. And the statisticians will totally yell at me for saying use it every day. Don't use it every day. Bad idea. But let's do this. First time using this. Let's do it. Should be fun. Kind of nervous, kind of excited. Ooh, sealed. My nose is a little stuffy. Sealed, but it smells skincare-y. Not an overwhelming smell. Let me dampen my face. Yes, we're in my bathroom. In case you are new here, this is my bathroom. Just wet my face a bit. I'm excited to take off a whole layer of dead skin that's just been chunking everywhere, and I can feel it. It's right here, right here, right here. Oh, right here. And I've been breaking out like crazy too, so I know it's me. Let's do this. I'm gonna put it here just so I have more control. But a little at a time, and then we'll go. Oh, it's very fine. Very nice, very fine. Okay, yeah, it smells like watermelon Kool-Aid right now. But the little scrubbies are so little. I did my lower half of my face. I came in with a bit more for my nose because I have so much dry, dead skin just chilling there. Most of this is, sorry, I don't like the texture on my skin. So I have to wash it off a little bit. Most of this, I want to say there's a lot of redness that's coming from my skin, but then also a lot from the product. I'm going to come in on my forehead as well. We're just going to be really careful about washing it off around my eyes. Ooh, Simba. Fun fact, The Lion King was the first movie that my mother actually took me to go see in theaters. And it was like, I think me and my mother, my cousin and her mother, my aunt, and then another one of my aunts and another one of my cousins. But I'm pretty sure that's like the only time my mom's ever gone to an actual theater with me. Fun fact. Okay, didn't take long. Like normally I'd say pull your hair back better, but normally I would say massage it under your skin for a few minutes, because when you count your minutes in your head, they're always shorter than, well, for me, they're always shorter than actual like clock time minutes. So I'm over here rubbing and I'm like, all right, I'm at 3 minutes, and then you look and you're like, it's been 55 seconds. But just rub for a while. I rubbed until I felt like the smoothness come out of my skin, and oh, it's so there. I can feel like the soft oils underneath all of it. Like I wash off my hands and I come back and I'm rubbing it along my face, and I could just feel the slickness of the, what is it, sunflower oil, I think it said. I like it. Let me wash off my face real quick. I'm going to do my best to avoid my lashes. Overall, my face looks super pink in the viewfinder. I do have pretty sensitive skin. I just feel like I was reminded lately, I have sensitive skin, and I just know how to take care of it. So I never really like label myself as having sensitive skin or anything like that, because I always take good care of it. Wear sunscreen, stay out of the sun, use sun protection, keep irritants away from my skin. I try not to eat the things that I know is gonna upset my body and then of course show on my skin, which I couldn't help it lately. But for the most part, we're good. Let me see real quick. I just want to come with my toner and see how this feels. This is the Glow Oasis Milk Dew pH Balance Moisture Milk Toner. I love this stuff. It's been so nice on my skin. And I've been doing this differently because it's moisturizing. I take it in my palms and just press. Before I was like, when I would use like my alcohol-based toners or like my really harsh toners, and I see people like doing this, I'm like, what are you doing? You scrape this stuff off. But this, I want to stay on my skin. I want it to soak in. Whatever's left, I'll just take it down my neck, on my hands. And honestly, it feels pretty nice. My skin feels kind of new, and I like that. So, real quick, I just want to say the 4-3 Beauty Watermelon Base Polish. She did a good job. Like overall, ooh, comparing it to like other polishes or face polishes, body polishes like that I've used, which T-dubs, I love body polishes. Like that's my thing. I have at least 2 or 3 in the shower at all times. I love them. But this is up there. This is really good. I love how fine the little granules of sugar are. It's really good feeling on my skin, at least not super harsh. And the smell is very mild too. So if you are not a fan of the smell, which a lot of the times I'm not, I will straight up get rid of a product, and I have a few because of the smell. I just can't. It's a thing for me. But not that big of like a smell. I did smell a little bit, but not a lot. So if you're interested, go get some. Go check it out. I believe they have this at Ulta too. So you can like straight up walk in there and be like, yo, I need to smell this. I need to feel this. Can I see? And I'm pretty sure they'll let you. Or you can do it if they have like a tester out. Give it a try. Yeah, I like this. For the amount that you're getting, I mean, if you use it like I did, this might last me a couple weeks, maybe about a month, so it's not bad. I figure like, it's not bad. Yeah, my skin feels pretty nice right now. It looks brighter, and I feel like my healthy skin underneath is shining through. And I'm rambling at this point, but I love it. I do. I just wanna, I'm gonna stay here and boast about it. Well, I mean, you don't have to stick around. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, but I'm gonna stand here in front of my mirror and look for a little bit longer. Thanks for hanging out, and if you enjoy what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!